What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to tie what I call the fisherman's knot, because it's just a knot that every fisherman should know how to tie. You can use it to connect your line to your swivel or your line to your hook, whichever you prefer. I like to do it for both, honestly. Alright, it's very easy to tie. Just take your hook, take the edge of your line, feed it through the eye of the hook. You are going to want to give yourself a lot of slack on this side, just because it makes tying the knot a whole lot easier. So you see we're holding it just like so. What you're going to do is you're going to start twisting the hook. Twist it anywhere between 4 to 6 times should be fine. So now you see you've made a bunch of little loops right there. There's an opening in the line right there, right at the where the eye of the hook is. Take the edge of your fishing line and feed it through that loop at the eye of the hook, just like that. Pinch it together with your fingers. See, you've made yourself a circle right here. Take that tag end and feed it through the loop that you just made. Pull it through. I'm going to use my teeth to help cinch this knot down. Hold on to the hook and just pull. As you can see, the knot will just cinch down on the eye of the hook for you. And that is what I call the fisherman's knot, guys. I appreciate y'all watching.